These say flushable, but today we're gonna do a test to see how flushable they actually are. Or are they just complete bull? This is not to throw shade at any company. This is just my experiment today. So the setup I have here today, I got this piece of pipe here with a grate. I'm gonna show you. This is going to replicate a break in the pipe or roots getting in through a crack or a separation, anything like that. So basically what I built here today, I just got a double 45 piece of pipe. I got a TY clean out, another piece of pipe, and a double 45. I got 2 buckets here. One, I'm going to be taking water, dumping it down that pipe with wipes in the bucket. And then the other bucket's gonna be here to catch the water to see if anything comes out. I also have my phone camera set up, looking down inside the drain to see if or what happens. So we're gonna be starting simple. Got a whole brick of wipes here. We're gonna take one simple wipe. Now, these do break apart fairly easy, right? We know that. That's not what we're here to figure out. We're here to figure out, do they break down in real world applications? One wipe. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our wipe, throw it in there, and then pour a bucket of water down after it to see what happens. So, as you guys can see, one wipe already caught. Now, that's just one wipe. Let's go with multiple wipes. 1, 2, in the pipe. Now for the flush. As you guys can see, it's already building up. Again, we're not here to see basically what happens if it catches. The experiment that I'm doing today is to see, is it going to break down with multiple flushes and stuff like that? So this is just real world examples. I think I could have built a toilet, but I'm not doing that. So we got 3 wipes here. Three wipes in. So as of now, you guys can see they don't break down like they're supposed to. They're stacking up against that grate, which again is to replicate the roots that get in the drain or a broken pipe or separation, right? So that's what we're here to find out. Are they gonna break down? It hasn't broke down yet. I think what I wanna do now, I'm just gonna take a whole whack of them, flush them down, see what happens. We know what's gonna happen, but let's go see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This was a big wash and break. And I don't know if you guys can see, like there's nothing in there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as of right now, it is 10:38. I don't know if you guys can see that. 10:38 on a Sunday morning. So I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to be coming back multiple times throughout the day to see what happens. I'm also going to quickly flush more water down. And I'm not going to put any more wipes in there, but I will pour some water through there throughout the day as long as I'm home, and we will see what happens. All right, guys, it is 4:19, sorry. We're going to check the wet wipes, see what happened. So there's still wet wipes there. I'm going to put another bucket in. I'm not going to put any more wet wipes because I just want to see if it actually goes down anymore. And remember, this is basically just to see if it's going to break down, right? Right now, they've been sitting in there for, what, 6 hours or so? So, doesn't look like it's breaking down by itself, and it's not breaking down with the water going into it. So, we're going to come back and check it again in a little while. All right, what's going on, guys? We are back. It is 7:21, and we see that they're still in there, right? Nothing in the bucket. So we're going to pour another bucket down. Just to see if it did break up or if it breaks up. Oh. So you guys can see, like, it's trying to get through, but it's not actually breaking down. Nothing's in there. So I think that's where this experiment is going to end. Let me know what you guys think. Again, not bashing any company, but I don't believe you should be flushing wipes, even if they say flushable, even if they are the Cottonelle brand, right? It says you can, it says they break down. And yes, they will eventually probably break down, but before it clogs up your drain, I don't believe so. I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy.